Is your business consuming your life? Drowning in admin? What if you could focus on what you do best? Meet your freelance admin partner. Our company offers freelance admin support for your business. We will cover all your admin duties. Here are some key benefits: enhanced focus on core business functions, significant cost saving, and financial flexibility. Enjoy reduced overhead, flexible hours, and immediate access to professional expertise. Experience increased business agility and scalability with minimized hiring hassles. Our company also uses a hybrid model, combining the core presence of an on-site role with the cost-effective flexibility of remote support for overflow tasks or specialized projects. Stop doing it all alone. We have the solution for your business. We are now available on most social media platforms. Choose us for fast turnaround, 100% remote and flexible, experienced and trustworthy. Contact us on 084-705-6344 to explore our offerings and solutions. Our service offerings are now available throughout South Africa.